Hey, what's up, O2 Worldwide Bit Group? So, in this video, I'm going to be talking about what I feel is the easiest way to make money in O2 Worldwide, in my opinion. Now, this especially applies to people who are in the United States or know people in the United States. And for those of you who are not, I'm going to be sharing something with you as well. In fact, let me first hit the people who are not in the US, because I have a great group that I know is going to be forming. I'm just trying to invite some more people there in Europe. Okay, so now, for those of you abroad, I want you to make sure that you look at the video that Shelly Faree put out the other day, where Dan is, hey Chris, where Dan is going over the 16-day challenge. So in the beginning of this video, he talks about the O2 drops and the Thrive. And then he talks about using the combo pack and sharing that video. If you send that video out and you were to get 2 people within 48 hours and get those people involved with the combo pack and show them how to do the same, how you could get the $1,000 car bonus and the income that would come from that. So if you have not seen that, I want you to look at that, because you probably, hey Teres, what's up girl? Because you probably have not been using that, okay? So re-look at that video. But now let me tell you what I believe is the easiest way to make money here in O2. Some of you probably know what I'm going to say. The sample system. Sampling out the product using the system that the company has in place. Not you purchasing the product on hand and giving out samples like that. But guys, I'm telling you, using the sample system where you purchase sample credits from the company, you allow people to try it before they buy it, and the company sends out the free product for you. That is one of the easiest ways to build the business. But this is what I need you all to do. I think I'm going to do a special call where I'm going to rally everybody towards us as a team giving away 1,000 samples, because not many people have really caught on to this, and I don't know what seems to be the resistance in people's minds, because I caught it quickly and it's really helped me. In fact, I put out a post yesterday and I had another testimony from a lady who got a sample bottle of O2. Between her and her daughter, they used that small sample bottle of O2, already got themselves testimonies, and came back and said, hey, I want to purchase a full-size bottle. How do I do that? And I am heavily considering the business. Why? Because I sampled out the product to her using the sample system. So guys, you got to understand some things. Number one, as Dan always says, is it easier to sell a product or give it away? It's easier to give a product away. That's what you're doing. You're giving the product away for free. The person does not need a credit card. Hey, David, what's up, champion? A person does not need a credit card. They do not have to pay for shipping. Literally, on our dime, they get to experience the product for free. So, how easy is it for you to call up somebody, or even put in your newspaper, David, and say something like, I'm so excited. I've come across an amazing product that is helping people with challenges such as high blood pressure and poor eyesight and blood sugar issues, right? It's an all-natural product, and we're giving away free samples. Click on this link to watch a video to find out more about the product and how you can get the product absolutely free, no cost to you, okay? And you do something like that. Or maybe you call up a friend. Hey, David, this is Bunmi. How you doing? Great. Well, listen, I'm not going to hold you long. I'm just calling you because I'm really excited. You know, I just got started in a new business. Some of the most amazing products I've ever seen. And guess what, girl? I don't even have to sell these products. I can actually give you a sample. And that's what I'm calling. I wanted to know if I sent you a video to share with you the benefits of the product and how it works. And if you liked it, if you would be open to trying out a free sample of the product. You don't even have to put in a credit card. And that would simply help me out. And who knows, maybe you will like it and want to become one of my customers. Bam, that's it. I mean, it's so simple. So if you are not giving away this product for free, if you're not purchasing sample credits, at least 10 credits every month, you just don't get it. I'm telling you, you're just not getting it. You need to be marketing and promoting your sample system. Even Ishmael, who just came on. Ishmael, you are in Spain, right? But with the power of the internet, there's so many people from the United States that you could reach with the sample system to be able to give away these amazing products for free. Now, I'll get into the training because, yes, you just don't want to blindly give your product away to just everybody. We don't do that. We train you to make sure that when you approve your sample to be sent out, that you are guarding the person who you send that sample to. You're qualifying the person that you send the sample to, okay? That's very, very important. But you need to be marketing, and you need to be promoting, and you need to be sharing the testimonials that we have so that you can start, like, what's the word? Like, just like tilling the ground of people who would be interested in finding out more about the product. It's easy. Excuse me, guys. I'm trying to invite some more people here. It's easy for me. Easy peasy to give away product for free and get paid. Okay? So, a couple more things before we go here. I'm trying to adjust this thing. Alright, so one of the easiest ways to make money, the sample system. Look at the video that Shelly sent out again about that 16-day challenge. And don't get caught up in the 16 days and making sure that you get the $1,000 car bonus in 16 days. There are some networkers who have a following, who know how to immediately come in and get into action, and they spend the day on the phone calling 100 people a day. And it's easy for them to get there too in 24 to 48 hours, and they know other people who can do that quickly. If that's you, great. But if you don't have that market, if you don't have that following, what if it took you 16 months, okay? Now, you may say, I mean, really, it's still, that's like, what if it took you 16 months to get a $1,000 car bonus and to be making a 6-figure income? That is still a short amount of time to get to a 6-figure income. That's a fast amount of time. So watch that video. Watch it over and over and over again to get it inside of you so you can understand the simplicity of what we have going on. So many people let the start stop them. You're analyzing, you're scared, you got these fears, and you don't want to call people. You're wondering, what are they going to think and say about you? And you're letting that stop you from your abundance, from your overflow. Guys, how easy is it to give away an amazing product for free? This isn't even a questionable product, like, does it work or not? You know O2 drops are helping people to see better. You know O2 drops is help people to have more energy, to get off of their certain prescription drugs, to just do all kinds of things. So what you need to do is, number one, you need to have a greater belief in yourself. And you need to see yourself as that 6-figure earner making $20,000 a month, or whatever it is that you want to make, and make your calls and talk to your prospects in that energy. Okay? Number one, you need to increase the belief in yourself. Then you need to increase the belief in your product. Because right now, with O2 drops and with Thrive, with those two products alone, you know how many people you can give testimonies and give them their health pack? You should be on a crusade to tell everybody about these organic greens and this liquid oxygen. If you care about people, right? But then we also have the day break, which, you know, that's amazing. In 15 minutes while they feel better, their brain comes on, and you know that works. And then I don't have as much experience about Nightfall, but we got people like Percy who's like, man, I love that Nightfall, and people who've taken the Nightfall and it's really helping them with their sleep. So you have real bona fide products that really work, that you can get in people's hands for free. And listen to this. Here's another thing I don't think a lot of you are getting. Do you understand? I need you to comment on this, those of you who are watching, okay? Whether you're watching on the replay or whether you're watching live. Do you understand what I mean when I say that the credits are commissionable? I need you to comment right now. When I say the sample credits are commissionable, do you know what I'm talking about? Let me know. I need you to put a comment right here, whether it's on the replay or whether it's live. Do you know what that means? Now, this is a big deal that the sample credits are commissionable, because a lot of companies some companies have a sample system, but it's not as good as ours, but the reps, your downline, you don't make money from when the samples are being put out. Meaning this, in O2 Worldwide, as your downline purchases sample credits, that is business volume for you. So you get 7 CV for every credit your downline purchases. So if a person purchases 5 credits, 5 times 7 is 35. That's 35 CV. If a person purchases 10 credits, that's 70 CV. And remember, we get paid off of the volume underneath of us. So Dan's not just saying, hey, we're going to give the samples out to people to help you to get customers. What he is saying is, as you understand the program and as you motivate your team to understand the sampling system, and they go out and they purchase the sample credits, we're going to pay you when your downline purchases the sample credits. We're going to give you that volume in your legs, and volume equals money. The more people that you inspire to purchase credits, that's more volume. So you need to make sure that people in your left leg understand the sample system and they're purchasing those credits. The people in your right leg understand the sample system and they're purchasing those credits. And that's going to drive up your volume, which is going to drive up your weekly pay. Do you get that? If you didn't get that, or if you don't get that, leave me a comment. Please just say, I don't understand. Or say, I didn't understand, but now I do. Because this feedback is really good for me. Because this will help me with the training that I have to do and know, where the sample system is in people's heads, what they are or aren't getting. Because I'm telling you guys, you could build a monstrosity of a business by recruiting people because of the ease of giving away a product for free. And I'll end with this. Let me ask you this question. If there were a way for you to make really, really good money every week, like common checks every week, simply by giving away an amazing product for free, would that be worth 3 minutes of your time to check out a video and give me your honest opinion? Let me know. Alright guys, tag your team in this video, share it with them, send it to them in Messenger, whatever you need to do to make sure they see it, because it will surely help to expand and open their minds and help to expand their and your e-wallet as well. Have a great day.